gardeners, Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery, and today we're talking about something many homeowners are looking for: beautiful, low-maintenance alternatives to traditional lawns. And I'm here with Jared, managing partner of Valley Sod Farms, to explore some fantastic options.
Thanks so much, Joey Lynn. It's great to be here. I appreciate it. So we've seen a huge shift in people wanting to move toward a more sustainable, water-smart landscaping, and we've got 3 ground cover products that fit the bill perfectly.
Okay, Jared, let's get started. What are our options?
Awesome. We will start with Kurapia. This one is gonna be the most drought tolerant by a little bit. It's gonna handle the heat the very best, and it's going to spread out the quickest. This is Micro-Clover. This one is probably the most popular. It's totally immune to pet urine. You're not gonna get any of those yellowing spots. You can plant it any time of year. It takes about half the water of grass, and it stays this beautiful lush green. The final one is Dichondra over here. This one is gonna be the most shade tolerant option. It can handle the heat great still, but it's really perfect for those higher shade areas.
Now, let's talk about maintenance. Can any of these products be mowed?
So all of these can definitely be mowed. You can just use a normal rotary mower. When you mow them, it teaches them to have tighter leaves and to stay a little closer to the ground, so you get that manicured lawn look.
And what about pet friendliness? That's a major concern for a lot of homeowners.
Absolutely. All of these are totally safe for kids and pets. They can withstand a bit of foot traffic. Kurapia and Micro-Clover are going to do the best as far as foot traffic. Dichondra takes a little more maintenance or training to get it used to that additional movement, so it's probably best for areas with a little less traffic. All of these alternative lawns, they stay green year-round, they require less maintenance and mowing, they take about half the water, and they all qualify for the SNWA rebate.